What's up, everybody? Passion here. Hope you're having a great day. January 4th, 2017. How are you doing? I don't know about you, but man, I'm loving this little funky beat I got going on. Man, I love that little beat. It's pretty good right there. Today is one of those days where it was doom and gloom, boy. The weather was just not being polite with anybody. Just like nasty. Nasty for no reason. Today was a day I needed to head back to church to start to dismantle. I don't even know if that's the right way to phrase it, but to start taking apart the stage that I put together for Christmas. And so like anything else, you grab your stuff, your backpack, your camera, probably another cup of coffee. Do what you gotta do. I walked in the church and the tripod was in my backpack, and the head swivel like completely popped off, and all I knew is I heard wham, and it fell to the floor, and I thought for sure I broke that thing, but it's just basically kind of slid and screwed back on with this little plastic cap on there, and I was good to go. But here I am on stage tearing down my trees, picking up all the snow, the lights, you know. A lot of people don't see all the work it takes to put into some of this stuff, but I know for me, I love the work, I love the creation, and I don't care if I'm putting up or taking down. This part of the deal, I truly love doing it, and I'm always eager to see what the next project brings. So just a quick glance at my day, and thank you for watching, and be cool, be safe, tie your shoes, and always live your passion. Peace.